Bonjour mes amis. J'ai entendu de plusieurs parents que vous aimeriez avoir une autre vidéo. ça, ça c'est étrange. Que vous voulez voir moi sur vidéo, mais ok. Je vais le faire. I'm gonna make this video because I've heard from a few parents that you guys would like to see more videos, which seems crazy, but let's do it. I'm going for a walk. It's a beautiful day. And I don't know if you can hear, but we're about to be near a pond, and even if you can't see the pond, you know it's there because of that sound. Those are mostly wood frogs singing, and their song sounds like bark, 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 bark. But then there are some that are going brrrt, brrrt. I think those are chorus frogs. Let's go see if we can get a little closer. Can you hear them? They're very shy, so it's hard to get close to them. But the wood frogs like to call during the day. If I come back here tonight, the sound will be very different. Now there's someone else living in this pond, and there's a bit of a war going on between him, or her, or them, and the humans who like to keep this path open. Can you guess who it would be that would keep flooding this path? So if you weren't sure yet, then this might help you guess. This animal has to be pretty strong because it made this dam to hold the water back, and I just climbed on top of the dam to grab this, and you can see somebody left some really big teeth marks in this piece of wood. I'll move my hand up so you can see it's a pretty big piece of wood. Looks like he also ate the bark. Beavers do eat wood. They actually eat wood, as crazy as that seems. Bonjour encore. Ah, nous avons marché loin de où on était avec l'évidence du castor. Mais je veux vous montrer une autre partie de cette sentier, là où il y a des érables, des chênes, des bouleaux. Ce sont des arbres qui font partie de l'habitat des salamandres. Et j'aimerais bien trouver une salamandre. So here we are. This is the deciduous part of this forest. And you can see that there is no cover yet. The leaves are still sleeping, but they're coming. We could go this way on the path, but we're not going to. We're going to go that way, up to that ridge. Okay, 2 seconds after I finished making that last part of the video where I said we would walk up to that ridge up there, I turned over this rock right here, and oh my friends, I'm so excited to show you this. If we were in school right now, I would definitely be bringing this beautiful fellow in to see you. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at him. Oh, he's cold still. He's just waking up. This is a blue spotted salamander. Now there's the other thing I wanted to show you. All of that green over there, those aren't flowers. That's actually something called wild leek. And if you like the taste of onions, I bet you would love the taste of these. They are yummy, but they're strong. And here's another flower. This tiny little beauty is actually called just that. This is spring beauty. And this has just come since the last time I was here. But there are other things coming up in this area. If you look closely, you can see lots of other things. And this one, with this funny shaped leaf, and this beautiful color is a trout lily. And I see some trilliums starting to come. There's a trillium right there. You can see the 3 leaves. That is a trillium. And here's one that's been blooming for a little while now. This gorgeous flower I sent you a picture of last week. And Udsby, he has very furry little buds, and that's because he's one of the first to come up, and that fur keeps him warm. And this is called hepatica. Now, sometimes it's worth looking under big pieces of bark too, even though there probably won't be salamanders. Sometimes there are other things hiding under bark. Oops. Whoa. What are those? Huh. I think, I'm not even sure if that's animal or plant. I think those might be false puffballs, which would make them a fungus. But they also look a bit like gypsy moth, caterpillar, cocoons. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that one up when I get home. In fact, maybe I'll try using iNaturalist. See if I can find that. Okay, my friends. I wanted to keep looking, so I lifted this rock, and look who I found. This is the most common species of salamander that we have. This is a red-backed salamander. I also found this baby toad under the same rock. He's been hibernating here all winter, and he's still very cold. Look who else I found. This is a morning cloak butterfly. It's one of the first butterflies of spring. And he's being very cooperative with us. Isn't he beautiful? Hello, my friends. That dot in the distance is the moon. I came back out to the pond because I wanted you to hear how different it sounds now at night. It sounds differently because the spring peepers have joined the chorus. You can still hear the wood frogs. They sound like chickens. But the spring peepers, oh, I can make the moon a little bit bigger. The spring peepers are the loudest sound. And as we get closer to summer, more frog species will join the chorus. I'm going home to bed now. Good night, everybody. I miss you. Stay well.